Hello, my name is Natalie from Diamond Painting by Nat, and today is an unusual video in which I'm going to compare two designs, the same size, the same image, the same drill shape, squares. But one is computer rendered, the other one is designer rendered. The idea of making such a comparison came to me some time ago, and the reason for it was I always wanted to know what we are paying for when purchasing designer charted kits from such brands as Diamond Car Club, Craft Body, a British company, Diamond Dots, and Craftably. Because all these companies, as you know, their kits are not cheap, and all of them claim to have good quality material, which they truly do, but also designers that meticulously interpret each image into a diamond painting, and this way the final result turns out fantastic regardless of the size. In my opinion, the best company is the one that features 5 criteria. First, fabric canvas, the one that you see now on your screens. Poured glue, faceted high-quality drills, licensed designs and artists, and the most important, the detailization in the completed kit. So I got two same designs, both 40 by 50 centimeters, full square drills diamond painting kits. One is from Diamond Dots, the unboxing of which you see now. The original price is $55 on the official website. I got it from Diamond Painting with Sparklers for $42 since it was on sale. The kit came with 35 colors, and while unboxing, the rendering seemed kind of pixelated and it threw me off a little bit. I thought it would turn out pixelated as well. The other kit is from Hurricane, AliExpress. I got it for $15. It came with 45 colors, 10 colors more, and the price was $15, 1 5. And as you can see, the rendering looked pretty detailed, so I thought that this very kit would turn out with really very high resolution and pretty detailed. The colors are amazing as well. Look how bright they are, plus pre-sorted in individual Ziploc bags. So let's talk about Diamond Dots, the specifications. It had a fabric-based woven polyester canvas, poured glue as an adhesive, really very nice, high-quality faceted resin drills, licensed artist Donna Gelsinger, who was mentioned on the box. As I mentioned before, 35 colors. The adhesive was pretty sticky. The drills were of a very good quality. I didn't toss away many, and technique-wise, I cannot say anything negative about Diamond Dots, except of one minor gapping issue that can be visible only if looking at the completed kit close by. If looking at it from far away, it is not visible at all. I already framed this kit, and now I also would like to show you the other completed kit from Hurricane. This way you can compare the detailization of both finished kits. And this is completed Hurricane. Let's talk about the specifications. The canvas is something in between fabric and vinyl. Adhesive is a double-sided tape. Pretty good quality resin drills, 45 colors, although the artist hasn't been mentioned anywhere. As to the diamond painting process, let's start from the fact that a vertical canvas, vertical design was printed horizontally. So all the symbols were horizontal instead of being vertical. In short, in order for the symbols to face the right direction, I had to put a vertical design horizontally, which is not very convenient. And of course, The legends, as you can see, were printed horizontally instead of being vertical. And one more thing, the bag's numeration and corresponding symbols. Usually, the numbers on the symbols correspond with the bag number. For example, symbol number 5 is sorted out in the bag number 5. Symbol number 2 is inside bag number 2, etc. In this very kit, it was very inconsistent. For example, symbol 2 was inside the bag number 1. Symbol 6 was in bag number 12. Symbol 5 was in bag number 35, etc. Although it did not really affect the final result, but it was an inconvenience during the diamond painting process. Now, the drills were of a decent quality, no gapping, but in very many areas they do pop up, and I'm afraid that over the time the drills might fall out. For now, not a single one fell out. All of them stay in place, even popped up once, which is a lot, unfortunately. And there are almost no damaged drills. I hardly tossed away any. I'm very happy with the quality of the drills, but again, I'm not sure why they're popping up. It looked like they're of the same size. There are no damaged ones. Maybe the squares on the canvas itself are a little bit smaller than the drills. I'm not sure why they pop up, but at least there is no gapping whatsoever. The adhesive was pretty good, no air bubbles or rivers due to an excellent packaging. Now the final result. I think it is obvious that Diamond Dot's image turned out very clear. Every single detail can be seen either close by or from far away. Starting with the pine needles here on the pine on the outside. Do you see any of there? Or over there? No. Or for example, the berry? Not really. Or for example, the Christmas lights or the Christmas ornaments. Just look at it, the Christmas lights here. And if we move it over here, I can see any close by and hardly far away in comparison to this one. Look at the teddy bear, look at the cardinals. I can't even see the eye over here. On Diamond Dots, I can differentiate every single detail. The bow on the fireplace. You can only guess that there is a bow on the fireplace. As to hurricane, although in some areas the color transmission is softer and more natural, like for example over here in comparison to here, or here, or even here on the snow, just compare. The overall picture looks very pixelated. It lacks resolution, the details are not sharply defined, and personally, I am under impression that the whole image is blurred, like it was colored with paints and then someone poured water on it. In any case, it is a great demonstration how designer-rendered kits differ from computer-rendered ones. And for me, it is a small-sized kit that is a huge indicator of whether the company hand charged the designs or not. As you know, anyone can create a detailed image by expanding the size. I mean, all large-sized designs would look detailed, but the true achievement for the company is to make a small-sized image with high resolution, and it can be achieved only with a team of designers transforming the rendering pixel by pixel into a true masterpiece. And as one more example, I would like to show you two more designs comparison from channel Evening Embroidery. Anna is the owner of the channel, diamond painted two kits. The first one that you see now is from a Russian brand Mosfa. It is only 30 by 40 centimeters, so 12 by 16 inches. It is a full square drill designer render kit. The detailization is so amazing for such a small kit. I mean, it looks so realistic as if it is a photo. And the colors are very bright and natural. And the other one is a computer rendered kit. And guess what? It is bigger than the previous one. And it is like 40 by 50 centimeters, so 16 by 20 inches. Yet, even a larger size did not help. It has a very low resolution and looks blurry in comparison to a 40 by 30 centimeter kit that you see on the screen as well. So my choice is obvious. I would rather pay $50 for one designer charted kit than buy three computer generated ones. Thanks to the brands that hand charged their kits, for me diamond painting became about the quality, not about the quantity. So next time when you're looking at the price for a diamond dots or diamond tar club or craftable kit and wonder why they're so expensive, and maybe it would make sense to consider something cheaper from AliExpress, remember my video and these two designs. Designer charted, computer charted. Do you see the difference? That's why we are paying more. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.